Gold and silver traded with little swings. We have seen a bearish bias kicking in, specifically in silver, where we have seen it moving towards 2640, the stronger support zone, and now trying to recover. Both the metals are trying to recover now. So can we expect a rise today, or there is a possibility of a further drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. And yes, do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That sets the direction for rest of the day. Now, look at gold on the hourly chart. See, I mentioned yesterday as well. Complete movement is engulfed between this candle here. This is a sharp drop, and since then gold is just trading in this zone. What has happened here? It has formed a double bottom, and after forming a double bottom, now it is trying to rise. So 2380 appears to be a critical milestone for gold to break. Now when you see double bottom, you can also see a symmetry here, but once it breaks beyond 2400, then only we can expect 2400 2404 zone is going to remain critical here. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 24 14 16, and in fact 2420 is, and thus till 2380 possibility of bullishness here in gold exists. Now look at the formation here, trying to form a symmetry here. I will expect it to move towards 2395 96, and in fact 2400. Let's see if it continues to move towards this zone. Yes, a very strong support zone is formed at 2380. That is very, very clear. Stochastic here is rising, signs of bullishness. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This can lead to a rise. The RSI is also rising. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, possibility of a further rise exists here, and I will wait for the 20 period moving average to breach pass by, which means it has to stay above 2394 96 zone. Again, the same entries should be good for us to buy. We can look forward to 2400 2404 2405 at the next, and beyond that we can look forward to a stronger rise. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is rising, the MACD is bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is almost flat. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, if you look at this, could be a reversal, and see this is trying to rise. Possibly we can see it moving towards 2400 very, very soon, and thus you can buy here at 2394 96. Expect it to rise further. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising from the oversold zone. MACD has hit a bottom, and see it is trading flat at near to bottom. A little divergence, couple of bullish candles, and then it will continue on the path of reversal. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the other hand, you should always look at what is happening. Lower highs are seen here, flat bottom is seen here. Any break outside this zone, which means any drop below 2380.78, should lead to a stronger fall, where we can look forward to 2360 and 2350 levels as the next support. Now look at the 4 hour charts. Also on the 4 hour charts, another way to look at it is see bearishness, bearishness, diminishing bearishness, diminishing bearishness. Look at the moves. Now post diminishing bearishness and a flat bottom, it appears that there has to be a rise here. Now moving averages crossing over here certainly is a bearish sign, but the possibility of a prices to retrace towards this levels also exists strong. Till 2420 we have greater resistance now for gold. The stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge, crossover for the buys. It can try to lead for a further bullishness if it crosses. RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the daily charts on gold, we can see diminishing bearishness on all these three candles. Second is the lower highs is what you can see here. Now, lower highs and lower lows are observed in the preceding candle. So it is very, very important now for gold to trade about 240405 zone and then 2410 zone. If these two levels are taken, 2414 16 next, and then 2420 levels will appear. The possibility till 2420 exists here, and if it trades about 2420, stronger rise can be seen. Now also look at the daily charts. Moving averages are trading bullish here. Prices, see what has happened here, divergence of the price, then it has converged towards 50 period, then again a divergence, it has converged, and now taking the support from the 2050 period moving average, it is trying to bounce back. The stochastic has dropped, MACD divergent and bearish, and RSI rising. So considering this a selling entry at 2384 and a buying entry at 20 2394.96. Below 2384, wait for 2380.78, and any drop below 2380 and 78 should be a confirmation of a move towards 2370, 2360, and then 2350. Now see this also on the daily charts, higher lows are seen. So as long as 2360 levels are not taken, we are not going to treat gold as bearish for the day, for the week. And on the upside now, you can buy at 2394.96, where you can expect 20. The resistances are very, very nearby. Remember this tag: 2400, 2404, 2406, 2410, 24, then 2414, 16, and then beyond that 2420. Till 2420, gold has got enormous resistance. Beyond 2420, it may fly high towards 2430, 2440 zone as well. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. Now, almost a double bottom here. Also lower highs here. Very, very important for silver to trade above 2720. I have mentioned yesterday as well. What is happening here? After the drop, it is showing a V-shaped recovery. We have to wait for 2720 zone to be taken. Once it breaks beyond 2720, we can look forward to 2740, 50, and in fact 2780 or $28 levels are also possible. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also converged. It is willing to cross over, or it is crossed over, and it can look further on the upside. RSI is also looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, what has happened here? See, first of all, it is trading in the box. It has hit the zone here. Second is lower highs here. Very important for now for silver to trade above 2720 zone. That will mark the reversal here, where 2750, 2780 zone can be seen here. Thus, if you see silver trading above $27 levels, that is the lower price above $27 level, you can initiate a buying entry. However, it is very, very important for silver to trade above 2720 levels. That will confirm the trend, that will confirm the breakout, that will confirm that now we are looking forward to 2750, 60, and in fact 2780, $28 levels. Possibility is there that it can continue to retrace. MACD is divergent and bullish and rising. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation. A V-shaped recovery is seen after the drop here. See, it has given a breakout and it is falling back within the zone. So it is very, very important for it to break out of this zone on the upside. Stochastic rising. MACD is also divergent. RSI is rising. Good sign for the bulls. On the 4 hour, the observation on the 4 hour charts is same, reversal and trying to rise. Now, very, very important for it to trade above the 20 period moving average, that is 2720 levels, 2740 levels, and then 2760 will appear. So till what is the possibility? Now, if you look at the formation, definitely it has formed almost a double bottom and it is trying to bounce back. If you look at the last few drops, what has happened here? The drop, see similar formation and a retracement, see similar formation and a retracement, see similar formation, and now if it breaks out beyond 2720, 2740 zone, we are looking forward to a very strong rise. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also forming triple bottom, trying to bounce back, so recovery cannot be denied. RSI is rising. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what is happening? See, diminishing bearishness here. At the same time, preceding candles giving lower highs, which suggests that it is very, very important for it to break beyond 2720, 2730 zone, and that will mark the beginning of a retracement from the current levels. Where it is heading towards, possibly it can try to head at least towards 28, or in fact higher levels are possible. The more time it is going to take, the lower the levels are going to be. Remember, it is trading in the bearish channel and we are looking forward to a retracement. The stochastic oversold here, MACD extremely bearish and RSI at bottom. So considering this, first I will recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying above 27, but this is going to be riskier till 2720, 2730 levels. And thus you have to strictly trail your positions as long as 2720, 2730 is not taken on the upside. Beyond 2720, 2730, we can look forward to 2750, 60 as the first target, 2775, 80 as the next, and in fact 28 can be seen. Beyond 28, it will turn bullish. On the downsides, where you should sell. Now, a selling entry in silver is only if you see the higher prices below 2660. Now, I have mentioned yesterday and I have mentioned every time in my weekly review and my daily reviews that 2660, 2640 is going to be an extremely important support zone for silver. And any move below this zone should lead to a crash, where we can in fact see it moving towards 26 or $25 levels very, very soon. So right now I can see it getting or struggling at this zone at 2660 and 2640 and trying to recover. So a possible retracement from the current zones can be expected. Moving averages are definitely trading with divergence and bearishness. Yes, the stochastic oversold. So yes, we have seen the selling and buying entries by 2720, sell at 2660 levels. Below 2660, 2640 is the first support zone. Below that, we can look forward to 262580 at the first target, 2550 at the next, and in fact 25 can be seen. As far as my understanding goes, I do not see that happening. At least today, we are looking forward to a retracement on the upside. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.